Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekadeva. This is 10th standard state board, chapter 5, exercise 5.3. Before we enter into the chapter, what is the equation of the line? Equation of the line, either you can say y equal to mx plus c or ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. In this equation, see y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope, c is nothing but a y-intercept. C is nothing but a y-intercept. C is y-intercept. See here, from this equation ax plus by plus c, you have an intercept form. What is that intercept form? Intercept form is nothing but x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is nothing but an intercept form. A is called x-intercept and b is called y-intercept. If the answer is given in this form, you can write x by a plus y by b equal to 1. A is nothing but x-intercept and b is nothing but y-intercept. When one point and slope is given, what is the equation of the line? Equation of the line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. When 2 points are given, that is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2. What is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. See the first sum. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the midpoint of the line segment joining. So the 2 points are given. First you should find out the midpoint. So you can take it as the point A 1 comma minus 5 and B 4 comma 2. So midpoint of AB is P. Midpoint of AB you can take it as P. P equal to, you know the formula. What is midpoint formula? Yeah, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So it gives, what is the formula? 5 by 2 comma minus 5 plus 3 is nothing but minus 3 by 2. So one point is there. Then they are given as what? Parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Equation of line, one point, the point P, 5 comma 2 comma minus 3 comma 2, parallel to x-axis. Equation of the line, one point P, 5 comma 2 comma minus 3 comma 2. Equation of a straight line passing through the point. Equation of a straight line passing through the point. See 5 comma 2 minus, right, passing through the point. 5 comma 2 minus 3 comma 2 parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis equal to, what is the formula? Y equal to B. Whatever constant term you can write it as y equal to, what is the constant term here? Minus, what is the point here? This point you can take it as a comma b. Y equal to minus 3 by 2. So cross multiplication, 2y equal to minus 3, 2y plus 3 equal to 0. The same way, equation of a straight line, equation of straight line passing through the point, passing through the point. What is the point? P 5 by 2, P 5 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis is what is the value? X equal to A. What is x value? X equal to 5 by 2. X equal to 5 by 2. So you bring the equation here. X equal to 5 by 2. So you bring the 2 to the left hand side. 2x equal to 5. 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So equation of a straight line passing through the point parallel to x-axis equal to y equal to b. You got the equation is 2y plus 3 equal to 0. The same way we can proceed for equation of a straight line passing through the point parallel to y-axis is x equal to a, x equal to 5 by 2. What is the equation? 2x minus 5 equal to 0. See the second sum. The equation of a straight line is 2 into x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Find its slope, inclination. It's nothing but tan theta value and intercept on the y axis. See, you can take it that equation 2 into x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Equation of straight line. 2x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. It's nothing but what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Slope. First you should find out here slope equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. What is coefficient of x? A by coefficient of y is b. It's nothing but what? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Coefficient of y. Coefficient of y. What is coefficient of x here? 2. So slope m equal to coefficient of x. Coefficient of x value is minus 2 by coefficient of y value is also what? Minus 2. Coefficient of x value is 2 but already minus is there. So minus 2 by minus 2. Minus get cancelled. 2 the value is 1. Then you should find out the inclination. Inclination is nothing but tan theta. M is also what? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to 1. When you can get the value 1 in the trigonometric table, tan theta value. Tan theta equal to tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree equal to 1. So what about theta? Theta equal to 45 degree. Theta equal to 45 degree. Then you move on to the intercept on the y-axis. Intercept on the y-axis. You take this equation 2x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. 2x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line. What is that? 2x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. You bring it into the intercept form. That is 2x minus 2y equal to minus 5. So 2x by minus 5 minus 2y by minus 5 equal to 1. Minus get cancelled. What is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. So 2x by minus 5 plus 2y by 5 equal to 1. So x by you can bring it in this form. X by minus 5 by 2. That 2 you can bring it down. Minus 5 by 2 plus y by 5 by 2 equal to 1. X by minus 5 by 2 because it is in a form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So x by minus 5 by 2 plus y by 5 by 2 equal to 1. This is nothing but x intercept and this is nothing but y intercept. So what is y intercept value? Y intercept equal to 5 by 2. Y intercept equal to 5 by 2. X intercept means minus 5 by 2. Third sum, find the equation of a straight line whose inclination is 30 degrees, nothing but theta value equal to 30 degree, and making an intercept. Intercept is nothing but c. Y intercept is c minus 3 on the y axis. Minus 3 on the y axis. Given, what is given here? Inclination. Inclination is nothing but what? Theta. Inclination theta equal to 30 degree. What is slope? Because you want to find out the equation of a straight line. M equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta. M equal to tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Then intercept is minus 3. Intercept, that is intercept on y axis is minus 3. That is c equal to minus 3. What is the equation of a straight line? And slope equation of straight line. Slope and intercept is given. Slope and intercept is given as y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Intercept on the y axis means c equal to minus 3. So y equal to, what is slope? 1 by root 3x minus 3. 1 by root 3x. M is 1 by root 3x minus 3. You can take the LCM. See here, y equal to x minus 3 root 3 by root 3. X minus 3 root 3 by root 3. You bring this root 3 to the what? Left hand side. What is the value you are getting? Root 3 y equal to x minus 3 root 3. So you write it in a proper way. X minus 3 root 3. X minus that left hand side value you can bring it to the right hand side. Root 3 value equal to this, you can bring it to the left hand side. What is the value? 3 root 3. So x minus root 3 y minus 3 root 3 equal to 0. 3 root 3 equal to 0. Fourth sum, find the slope and y intercept of root 3 x plus 1 minus root 3 y equal to 3. So you can take the equation root 3 x plus 1 minus root 3 into y equal to 3. You can bring it into y equal to mx plus c form. Y equal to mx plus c form. In this equation, m equal to slope and c is nothing but what? Y intercept. C is nothing but y intercept. So you can bring that form. 1 minus root 3 y equal to 3 minus root 3 x. 3 minus root 3 x. Y equal to mx plus c. So 1 minus root 3 y equal to minus root 3 x plus 3. But it should be in y form, y equal to. So coefficient is there, you can divide the coefficient. So y equal to minus root 3 x by 1 minus root 3 plus 3 by 1 minus root 3. 3 by 1 minus root 3. M equal to minus root 3 because y equal to mx plus form. mx plus c. So this value is m and this value is c. So m equal to minus root 3 by 1 minus root 3. You can take rationalize denominator, you can take the conjugate 1 plus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Rationalize denominator. So m equal to minus root 3 into 1 plus root 3 by, see here, a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula for a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. A square is 1 square minus root 3 the whole square. A square minus b square. m equal to minus root 3 into 1 plus root 3, 1 plus root 3 by, okay, 1 minus 3, m equal to minus root 3 into 1 plus root 3 by minus 2, minus get cancel, m equal to root 3 into 1 plus root 3 by 2. This is the value of m. Then you move on to c, y-intercept c. c equal to 3 by 1 minus root 3. 3 by 1 minus root 3. The same way you can take it as a conjugate. Take it as a conjugate. 1 to 1 plus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So c equal to 3 into 1 plus root 3 by, the same way a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square, 1 minus 3, that is 1 square, root 3 the whole square is 3, we already seen for m. So it gives c equal to 3 into 1 plus root 3 by minus 2. So c equal to minus 3 into 1 plus root 3 by 2. So this is the value of m, slope, and this is the value of y-intercept c. See the fifth sum, find the value of a, the line through 2 points. What are the 2 points they have given? Minus 2, 3 and 8, 5 is perpendicular to y equal to ax plus 2. See here, slope of the 2 points. What are the 2 points they have given? Minus 2, 3 and slope of the line passing through. Slope of the line passing through 2 points. Slope of the line passing through 2 points. What are the 2 points they have given, ma? Minus 2, 3 and 8, 5. What is the formula? You can take it as m1. m1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So m1 equal to y2 5 minus y1 is 3 by x2. x2 is 8 minus of minus 2. So m1 equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 8 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So m1 equal to 1 by 5. m1 equal to 1 by 8 plus 2, 10. m1 equal to 1 by 5. Next, perpendicular to y equal to ax plus 2. What is the formula? Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. What is the, you can take it as this as m2. m2 equal to a. m2 equal to a. They are telling that lines are perpendicular. The lines are perpendicular. The lines are perpendicular. It means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. m1 is 1 by 5 into m2 is a equal to minus 1. So what is the value of a? A equal to, that is a by 5 equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 5. What is the value of a if the lines are perpendicular? A equal to minus 5. See the sixth sum. The hill in the form of a triangle has its foot at 19, 3. You can just imagine as a hill. Hill is a form of a triangle. Hill is a form of a triangle. Okay. Foot, as its foot is 19, 3. Foot is 19. This point is 19, 3. The inclination of the hill, this is the inclination of the hill is 45 degree. Inclination of the hill is 45 degree. The inclination of the hill is 45 degree. Find the equation of the hill joining the foot to top. This is the top. This value you can take it as A, B and C. You should find out this inclination, this line joining the foot and the top. Okay. What is the given? Given value is equal to foot of the hill. Foot of the hill point they have given us. Hill is point. What is the point they have given? B equal to 19, 3. Okay. Inclination equal to theta equal to 45 degree. Inclination theta equal to 45 degree. We should find out the equation of the line, that is 1 point and slope formula. 1 point and slope formula. You can take it as m equal to tan theta. M equal to, what is the value of theta? 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. So m equal to 1. So 1 point, 1 slope form, 1 point formula. What is 1 point formula? Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line, that is foot and the top of the hill. Foot and the top of the hill. 1 point is given and 1 slope is given. The formula is what? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. x1 comma y1 value is nothing but 19, 3. 19, 3. Then m equal to 1. Then m equal to 1. See, y minus y1. What is the value of y1? 3 equal to, what is the value of m? 1 into x minus x. What is the x value? X minus, what is the x value of x1? x1 is nothing but 19. x1 value is 19. This is the value of x1 comma y1. So y minus 3 equal to x minus 19. X is positive, so you can keep in this side itself. So x minus 19, you bring all the terms to the what? Right hand side. Minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Minus y plus 3 equal to 0. X minus y minus 16 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line joining the foot and the top.